Welcome to sureshbhattclasses. We are solving question on quantitative aptitude topic numbers. All topics of quantitative aptitude are useful for all competitive exams like bank PO, RRB, railways, SSC CGL and many more. These topics are also useful for many government job exams and job interviews. The videos on topics of quantitative aptitude are extremely useful for all entrance exams like GRE, SAT, ACT, CAT, GMAT and many more. Please watch all my videos on quantitative aptitude topics. In this video, we are going to find remainders in the topic of numbers. Our question is, what will be the remainder when 4 to the power 517 is divided by 7? The given options are option A 4, option B 5, option C 6, option D 3. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. If 4 has the power 1, this is equal to 4, and when divided by 7 leaves remainder 4. When 4 has power 2, this is equal to 16, and 7 times 2 is 14, and 16 minus 14 is 2, so the remainder will be 2 when power is 2. 4 to the power 3 is equal to 64, and 7 times 9 is 63, and 64 minus 63, the remainder will be 1. That is, when power is 3, the remainder is 1. And when power is 4, 4 to the power 4 is 256. And when we divide it by 7, 7 times 3 is 21. 25 minus 21 is 4. We carry 6, so it is 46. And 7 times 6 is 42, and 46 minus 42 is 4. It means that after every 3 power, the remainder repeats itself. Now we can solve our question. 4 to the power 517. And when we divide 517 by 3, the remainder is 1. We can write it as 4 to the power 1 into 4 to the power 516, and 516 is divisible by 3. So the remainder will be, for 4 the remainder will be 4, and for 4 to the power 516 the remainder will be 1. So 4 into 1 equal to 4. The remainder will be 4. This way we can solve similar type of questions by putting the powers one by one and finding the pattern. Here the pattern is that after every third power, the remainder repeats itself, and we have used that pattern in solving this question. And from the given options, our answer is option A 4. We can solve this question with one alternate method. So for solving by alternate method, I erase this solution, as we can write the given number 4 to the power 517 as 4 into 4 to the power 516. This can be written as 4 into 2 to the power 1032. This is equal to 4 into 2 to the power, we divide it by 3. So I can write it as 4 into 2 to the power 3 whole to the power 344. And this can be written as 4 multiplied by 8 to the power 344. And this can be written as 4 into 7 plus 1 whole raised to power 344. When this is divided by 7, the 7 plus 1 whole raised to power is divided by 7, then the remainder is 1 to the power 344, and this is nothing else but 1. So this is 4 into 1 is 4. This way we get the remainder 4. And from the given options, our answer is option A. I hope you have understood both the method of solving such type of questions. We go to the next question. Our question is, when 4 to the power 102 is divided by 6, the remainder is A, and 3 to the power 115 is divided by 6, the remainder is B. Find the value of A minus 2B. The given options are option A 3, option B 4, option C minus 2, option D minus 4. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. It's given that 4 to the power 102 is divided by 6, the remainder is A. Whatever may be the power of 4, when it is divided by 6, the remainder is always 4. We can show it. 4 to the power 1 is equal to 4, and when divided by 6, the remainder is 4. 4 to the power 2 is 16, and 16 when divided by 6, 6 times 2 is 12, and 16 minus 12 is 4. So remainder is again 4. 4 to the power 3 is 64, and 64 when divided by 6, the 6 times 1 is 6, the balance is 0, we carry 4, and 4 when divided by 6, remainder is 4, and 4 to the power 4 is 256, and 256 when divided by 6, 6 times 4 is 24, 25 minus 24 is 1, we carry 6, and 16, and 6 times 2 is 12, and 16 minus 12 is 4, so the remainder is again 4. This way, whatever may be the power of 4 when divided by 6 leaves remainder 4. That is, whatever may be the power of 4 when divided by 6, it always leaves the remainder 4. Similarly, whatever may be the power of 3 when divided by 6, it always leaves the remainder 3. We can show it. 3 to the power 1 is 3, and when 3 is divided by 6, the remainder is 3. 3 to the power 2 equal to 9, and when 9 is divided by 6, the remainder is 3. 9 minus 6 is 3. 3 to the power 3 is 27, and 6 times 4 is 24. 27 minus 24, the remainder is 3. 3 to the power 4 is 81, and 6 times 1 is 6, and 8 minus 6 is 2. We carry 1, 21, and 6 times 3 is 18. 21 minus 18 is 3. So the remainder is always 3. It means that the value of A equal to 4 and B equal to 3. Therefore, A minus 2B equal to 4 minus 2 into 3. This is equal to 4 minus 6, and 4 minus 6 is minus 2. And from the given options, our answer is option C minus 2. Please always keep in mind these two properties. When any power of 4 is divided by 6, the remainder is 4, and when any power of 3 is divided by 6, the remainder is always 3. We go to the next question. Our question is, when 4 to the power 112 is divided by 12, remainder is A, and 3 to the power 146 is divided by 5, remainder is B. Find the value of 2A minus 3B. The given options are option A 2, option B 3, option C minus 4, option D minus 2. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. It is given that 4 to the power 112 is divided by 12, remainder is A. One thing we have to keep in mind that whatever may be the power of 4 and when divided by 12, the remainder is always 4. We can show it 4 to the power 1 equal to 4 and 4 when divided by 12, the remainder is 4. 4 to the power 2 is 16 and 16 when divided by 12, 12 times 1 is 12 and 16 minus 12 is 4. 4 to the power 3 is 64 and 12 times 5 is 60 and 64 minus 60 is 4. So the remainder is 4. 12 to the power 4 equal to 256. 12 times 2 is 24. 25 minus 24 is 1. We carry 6. 16. 12 times 1 is 12 and 16 minus 12 is 4. So again we get the 4. So whatever may be the power of 4 when divided by 12, the remainder is always 4. So the value of A equal to 4. Now 3 to the power 146 is divided by 5. The remainder is B. We will find the ones place of 3 to the power 146 and we divide the power by 4 and whatever is the remainder, that will be the power of 3. 4 times 3 is 12. 14 minus 12 is 2 and we carry 6, so it is 26. 3 times 8 is 24. 26 minus 24, the remainder is 2 and this gives 3 to the power 2, which is 9. And when 9 is divided by 5, remainder is 4. So B equal to 4. Now we have to find the value of 2A minus 3B. So this is 2 multiplied by 4 minus 3 multiplied by 4. This is equal to 8 minus 12. This gives equal to minus 4. Thus, the value of 2A minus 3B is minus 4. And from the given options, our answer is option C, minus 4. I hope you have understood the concept that when any power of 4 is divided by 12, then the remainder is 4. And when any number is divided by 5, we have just to divide the ones place by 5 and whatever the remainder is there, that will be the remainder. This way we have used the property of division by 12 and division by 5 in solving this question. Hope you have understood the solution. We go to the next question. Our question is, what is the remainder when 1347 multiplied by 2643 multiplied by 4227 is divided by 12? The given options are option A 1, option B 4, option C 3, option D 5. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. The given question is 1347 multiplied by 2643 multiplied by 4227 is divided by 12 and we have to find the remainder. This question is basically very simple and the shortcut method of solving such type of question is you have not to multiply all the numbers and then divide it by 12. We have to individually divide the numbers and then we can find the remainder easily. If we divide 1347 or 1347 by 12, then 12 times 1 is 12, 13 minus 12 is 1, we carry 4, so it becomes 14 and 12 times 1 is 12, 14 minus 12 is 2, we carry 7 and 27, 12 times 2 is 24 and 27 minus 24 is 3. So the remainder will be 3 when 1347 is divided by 12. Similarly, 2643 we divide it by 12. 12 times 2 is 24. 26 minus 24 is 2. We carry 4, so it is 24. 12 times 2 is 24. And 24 minus 24 is 0. We carry 3. And 3 is not divisible by 12, so remainder is 3. Again here the remainder will be 3. Now 4227. When we divide it by 12, 12 times 3 is 36. 42 minus 36 is 6. We carry 2. It becomes 62. 12 times 5 is 60. And 62 minus 60 is 2. We carry 7. It becomes 27. And 12 times 2 is 24. 27 minus 24, the remainder is 3. So the total remainders we get is 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. This is equal to 27. And 27 when divided by 12. So 12 times 2 is 24. And balance is again 3. So the final remainder will be 3. And from the given options, our answer is option C, 3. This was very easy question. I just wanted to explain how to find the remainder when such type of questions are given in exam. We go to the next question. Our question is, what is the remainder when 2435 multiplied by 1247 multiplied by 3652 is divided by 12? The given options are option A 7, option B 8, option C 3, option D 4. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. We have to find the remainder when the given number 2435 multiplied by 1247 multiplied by 3652 is divided by 12. We have not to multiply all these numbers and then to divide. We just individually divide all the numbers. But in this question, I will use the concept of negative remainder. When we divide 2435 or 2435, 12 times 2 is 24. So 24 minus 24 is 0. We carry 3. We again put 0 as 3 is not divisible by 12. We carry 5. This is 35. And 12 times 3 is 36. 35 minus 36 is minus 1. So we write the remainder as minus 1. Now we go to the next number 1247, 1247. We divide it by 12. 12 times 1 is 12 and 12 minus 12 is 0. We carry 4. It's not divisible by 12. So we put 0 and carry 7. So it is 47. And we know that 12 times 4 is 48. So 47 minus 48 is minus 1. So the remainder here is minus 1. And now we go to the third number 3652, that is 3652 when divided by 12. 12 times 3 is 36. 36 minus 36 is 0. We carry 5 and 5 is not divisible by 12. We put 0 and we carry 2. So it is 52. And 12 times 4 is 48. 52 minus 48 is 4. So our remainders are minus 1 into minus 1 into 4. And minus 1 times minus 1 is 1. And 1 times 4 is 4. So our remainder is 4. This way we can use the concept of negative remainder and we can easily reach to the solution fast. And our remainder comes out to be 4. And from the given options, our answer is option D, 4. Hope you have understood the use of negative remainder and how to solve the question. We go to the next question. Our question is, if 5 to the power 21 and 5 to the power 12 are divided by 6, the remainders are A and B respectively. Find the value of A minus B upon A. The given options are option A 1 upon 6, option B 2 upon 5, option C 3 upon 5, option D 4 upon 5. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. For solving this question, we are going to use this formula kx minus a whole to the power n when divided by x leaves remainder a to the power n when n is even, and minus a to the power n plus x when n is odd. We have to specially remember that kx minus a to the power n divided by x leaves remainder a to the power n when n is even, and minus a to the power n plus x when it is odd, when n is odd. 5 to the power 21 can be written as 6 minus 1 to the power 21, and when it is divided by 6 we get the remainder as minus 1 to the power 21 plus 6. Here 21 is odd, so we have to write minus 1 to the power 21 plus 6, and this is equal to minus 1 to the power 21 is minus 1 plus 6 is 5. This gives the a equal to 5. Now 5 to the power 12 can be written as 6 minus 1 to the power 12, and when it is divided by 6 we get the remainder minus 1 to the power 12, as 12 is even, so it is 1 to the power 12 equal to 1. Therefore b equal to 1. Now we have to find the value of a minus b upon a. A is 5 minus b is 1 upon a is 5. So this is equal to 5 minus 1 is 4 upon 5. And from the given options, our answer is option D, 4 upon 5. I hope you have understood the method of solving this question as well as the use of formula used in this question. Here completes this video. Please do lot of practice from different books and solve as many questions as possible to become expert in solving questions of quantitative aptitude. Please watch all my videos on quantitative aptitude topics. Here completes this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Thanks for watching.